Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you a tool that's a game changer for those people that are looking for speech to text AI. I'm telling you, so powerful and it's so good. The accuracy in this tool is just amazing. Like I'm telling you guys, I was looking for a solution to find something that can accurately transcribe my voice, and this is what I found. And even if you have your voice is quiet or is not clear, microphone is not good, don't worry. This tool will transcribe um, your voice to a text. Okay, so let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So what you have to do is to head over to drive.com, Drive, Google Drive, and then what you have to do. I'm gonna make this video um, very straight to the point because I want you to waste time. So what you have to do, click on new and then click on more. And here, after you clicked on more, click on like just hover your mouse on more. You don't have to click, sorry. And then here, click on connect. Now you click on more apps. Connect to more apps, sorry. Perfect. That's perfect. And I'll wait a couple of seconds. I don't know what is taking some time to load for this window to. Okay, perfect. Now, here, what you have to do, and here in the search bar, please write Google Collaboratory, exactly what you see here, Google Collaboratory, and you should see the first option. You see a couple of options here, other stuff you can add here, but other apps, okay, and just click on Collaboratory and then install this one. Now, perfect, guys. You did great, amazing. Now let's go to more, hover your mouse on more, and now select here Google Collaboratory. After you installed Google Collaboratory, after you installed this app, sorry, you now click on this. Please do so. That's very important, and you're gonna see the power of this tool is actually amazing. It really fascinated me, and I'm not saying that because someone is telling me to do so. She's really amazing. It's really amazing, this tool. Okay. Now what you have to do is click on runtime and then here change runtime type, select GPU, save, and then please um you have to paste this code that I'm gonna leave in the description of this video. Okay. Now what you have to do is just to click on run. It's gonna run this code. It's gonna install the from GitHub and okay, what? Okay, that's fine. There were too many sessions running for me, so that's fine. Now I fixed that. So now just click on run. Okay, it's gonna take few seconds. Not very. It's not gonna take that long. Okay, just couple of seconds. Okay, wait for that. While you're waiting, you can watch some videos or you can do some push-ups, which is not a bad idea. Oh, okay, so it's almost finished. Okay, installing collected packages. In fact, I'm gonna do some push-ups, guys. Oh, it's ready. Oh, it's done. Okay, saved me from doing push-ups. And now click on this folder right over here. And now what you have to do is to drag your video, like grab it and drag it onto this here, like here, Once you drag the file, you're gonna see here the file is loading. And after the file loaded, now you should be able to see the file here. Okay. And now, okay, you see the file here. Now click on code, and then you need to type, to just copy and paste the next code. And now, guys, you type this code like you just copy and paste. I'll leave the code in the description of this video. And here you type the name the name of this file, you type here, okay? Just type this name here, simple, okay? Please do so, and then now please click on run cell. And now, while we're waiting, I'm going to explain you something pretty interesting. You can set here from the quality. You can set the quality from, let's say, if you want very large, or you can right here tiny or base instead of medium, or small, or medium, or large. Okay, it means that if you use tiny, then it's gonna take um, you know, less time. But if is it's just the quickest. If you're right here tiny, it's gonna take way less time, okay? But it's gonna have it's not gonna have very good accuracy. But if you're right here, um, from medium to large, I think medium is just the best spot. Okay, remember that. That's all you have. That's all you need. Okay, and now here refresh, and you should see this here you have transcripts. But if you just have one the text, just click go here where you see this file, and click on the three dots and click on download, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, I'll really appreciate that. Will help a lot, this small YouTube channel, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.